You got taste though. My ring is so cute, y'all. Since I met you, I don't think you see that? I wanna live without you. Keep me laughing, baby girl. It's just okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat, and as you can see, on the screen, the creativities with these series on TikTok is getting better. By the episode, people putting out a comment section where you think about Ivany saying people force King to do this. You see, man, say, because we know, say, Ivany a millionaire, and boy, I want some of the millions in the divorce, you know. You see me, I say, boy. But you know, people is not buying the axe, you see me, I say, but me just giving an update what I go on for not to go on, you see me? Yeah. No, I posted one Dolly on my IG page yesterday. I talked about Miichii, and Miichii has responded, you see me, I say. So let's hear a little bit what she has to say, and we get into Miichii's response.
I'm not a social media person, like a person for put my business out there, but I just feel like this just needs to be addressed, right? So I went to Miichii's party last week in New York City, which is where the venue took place on the 25th of July, 2025, right? Cool. It was an event that me and my friend them did decide to go, clearly, because them live in New York, me live in one different state, and you know them to move forward, so I said, alright, cool, link up, I got mad. Moving forward, right? Me and my friend them get to this event. When we reached the event, very disorganized. The event was very disorganized. You see me, like the venue that the place was at.
Yup, the Dolly is harboring some type of feelings with people because she says she got Miichii birthday party last week. When in fact, Miichii birthday party they keep July 25th. Putting out the comment section where you think about that because Miichii is up in my comment section responding to Homegirl. As you can see, she's clarifying things. Said Homegirl was late. She tried to accommodate them with bottles and all of these things, but let them know, say no refund, not possible. You see, man, say, only can press pause and read Miichii responses, you see, man, say. But we're going to hear what the girl have to say about this whole ordeal first. So just like and share the video on our social media platforms, and let's hear what going for to go on, you see me?
Bro, it was overpacked. The venue needed one bigger space for all the amount of people who come out to support her. At that one. 2, when we're reaching our party. When we're reaching our party, man, I stand up in our section where me and my friend them pay for. So we all look upon them like, alright, so we're not gonna move and go somewhere else or what? Because why we're not stand up here, so? What I know say it's not here, so we're not pay the money for that. So me confused, like, I'm not gonna fucking war back and forth with a fucking man in a party. So I just get mad said time card like them now move and them just a be ignorant. So I just say, alright, fuck this then. We never get no security for move them. The man stand up in our fucking section all night. We never did have nowhere to go. So from them time that I was just already not feeling the energy, the vibes of the party. Me and my friend them almost stand up about 3 hours in the party. Man in our section, like I said, no one move. Not even a table when I get, which is ridiculous. I was stand up there for almost about 3 hours in our party. No table, no fucking liquor. How comes? Me personally do not know Miichii. I'm just want to get this video out there to anybody that do know her. Because, alright, it's still like, oh, me is a person when a person I know, she know. Me don't give a fuck about her representation or nothing. True, she knows that she can't do that with people when she know because what, them not go up on internet and media go bash her and say this and say that. But me no, me don't give a fuck about that, brother. From when somebody play with money, my mouth, I forgot talk, sorry. Because I don't know what type of fuck party that we keep. A lot of other people did get their liquor, but we wasn't one of those people that did. So what do me and my friend them? One bag of waste of money, like, you see me? Guys, I kid you not, I was in that party the one night, like, so. Me should have one bag of people in that event there, brother. Over 200 people did come to support her for sure, that man know. And the place do not have no fucking AC. Everybody knows that summertime now, outside hot like fire. Oh, you have to keep one party and a beer people pack up, everybody pack up like one bag of tin sardine. No fun in there, no eat. The place just hot, brother. Bro, I could not even get to enjoy myself. Nothing, mafia. Bro, I feel like I got drop down in the party, brother. Like, I swear to God, I cannot make this shit up, bro. Like, that party was not it. Better should just keep our party outside. Minister saying to keep the venue. Alright, so the day after the party, right? My friends had reached out to her and she never answered because, you know, she just keep on party, she's tired and... Alright, cool. Eventually, them end up get a chance to reach out to her. When them reach out to her now, then she changed her mind. Then she got proceed to say, she not think she'll give back with the money. She act like she don't want to give back with money, brother. And I come talk about say, she have the liquor them, she keep the liquor for them for we. So anytime we want it, they can she hold them, liquor them for we. I say, bitch, listen, I do not want no fucking liquor, brother. I want back my blood clot money. Simple as that. I'm not gonna fucking talk again, bro. The party was lame as fuck, bro. I think that it just not right to me. Like, I never waste that one time. I not fucking bitch, I don't know you. I'm gonna take up money for support the party. I'm don't fucking know you from nowhere. And if I'm for my friend them, I wouldn't go. God almighty truth. I'm not even live a blood clot New York if I come from so far. If I go party, for girl, me not even know, brother. Come on, bro. So my friend tell me now, say, she don't really want to give back the money. She had planned for just give her the back of them. I say, fuck that. And they pan that, cross that out. But now I got blood clot work, brother. Right now, I just want to cuss. But you see, because when they pan out there right now, and son I kill my backside. You see me, the sun make me feel drained. The sun make me feel tired, brother. You see me? So, I can't even come for her the way I really want to come for her. You see me? Because this sun is really exhausting me. I swear, at your fuck. Brother, I want everybody for like, share, comments. Fuck, I'm not for comment shit for my fucking video. Just tag her and that's it. That's the only thing I want to see in the comments. Only that tag me shit. Is me repost, send the video to her. That's it. You see me? Because if anything, I'm not even a jar down yet for real. The fuck? I'm being respectful. Make a boy or a girl for no son play with me, brother. Oh. That's the only reason why I try to calm down myself a little bit, even though I'm pissed right now, is because I don't want TikTok ban me. Bro, I done fucking talk, brother. I want back my blood clot money. Dirty woman, I want back my fucking money and I want it now. I don't see nothing else for talk about, I don't see nothing else for discuss about. Your party did lame as fuck, and that must say. And she can't come send a little minion them pan me give a fuck. I not even read on the comments, bro. You see me, I just want to get back my fucking money from me. That's it. What she did wrong, and that. You see me? Like, bro, when I give a fuck who want to jam me down, who want to come palm up it and come back her. I mean, I give a fuck about none of that, brother, because none of them people that now blood clot pay me. Simple as that, bro. Personally, I promote your party, girl. You move correct. You don't move like you want hungry bitch, you want people money, and you know say nobody I get to enjoy your party. Like, come on, bitch. Because if that was the case, I didn't enjoy my party with your party with my friend them, wouldn't come on here so for bash you and talk about want my money and this and that. You see me? Come on, bro. A girl like big woman like you. Big girl like you. And you feel like you don't want to give back me and my friend them back with money. Brother, I get a puppy show, you know. Big ass fucking puppy show, brother. Like, I never seen nothing like this yet. This is fucking ridiculous. Overall, I just feel like all of this is just fucking childish, brother. Childish as fuck, bro. You see me? So, I gotta give the time to Miichii from right now, from when she watch this video, for just come straight and come forward and give me and my friend them back with money. We should owe it for the workers party, that lame ass fucking party we should keep with them. You see me? Simple as that. I don't know nothing else to talk about. What else me for say? I said what it's already. I'm about my money and that. Simple. We don't need to draw the conversation no further. You see me? Because I not even want to come on social media to even do this in the first place. It's just a big fucking waste of time. But I just want to see the way how some people stay with that. Because to really make it a problem and for move like you don't want to give me and my friend them back with money, it's like a weird scale style that, brother. You know, so when I get the liquor or not to you, but I'm going to stand up in our section all night. I'll fuck with that. Come on. You see me? And if it was vice versa, and you did go somewhere, and somebody did that to you and your friend them, me shouldn't like that. She would not fucking like that. Mr. Me should come to the front because this video it need fucking crowd. You need to know of it. Organize the event them better because it was not it. So I say, bro.
Yeah, putting in the comment section where I think about that. It just looked like our venue space needed to be bigger. Cause the party sound like it sell off. It's a must. Maybe she should have approached the people them that was in her, VIP section and tell them to freaking move. You see me? You know what I mean? But other than that, a lot of people said that she is clout chasing because when I was sent her a video, she only had like 900 followers. You see me? And said to spread the word. So, when we put it on my page, the word it gets spread fast, isn't it? And Miichii responded in less than 3. So, if you didn't get a chance to press pause in the beginning to read Miichii's response, so they can't do it now. But we're not going longer, this no longer no more. So do the right thing and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell there for you to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music, reviews, and gossips. Bless.